Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in a Google Sheets. So first you will need Derrick, of course. Derrick is an extension of Google Sheets that helps you to create database, to clean database, etc. etc. So you can download it here and then you go back to your Google Sheets. So we have a list of leads and we want to find out if we have duplicates or not. So you open extension, you go open sidebar, and you go on this little tool here. You click and you go remove duplicates. Here, as you can see, you can compare two sheets. If we want to find duplicates in the same sheet, we just select for both the same sheets. Here I called it September. And I will compare also with September. And then I have to select the column I want to compare. Here, for example, I want to find out if I have two Michael Sargent, and I want to compare the full names. So I will select full names, but I can also select multiple columns, so it will compare the both data. And let's go remove. As you can see, it won't remove the duplicates, but just write duplicate next to this column line. Sorry. So here we have Apurva Vasan, and if you search, it's here also. Same Matthew Brooks, it's here, and Colin Lee, it's here, and Florian, same. So now that's it. Like it found duplicates in the same column, and if I want to remove it, I just create filter, select all of them, and just remove the words. Now I'm going to show you how to compare two sheets. For example, here I have contacted this list of leads in September, and I want to check for the leads I want to contact in October. I want to check if I have contacted them in September. That's why I'm going to compare the both sheets. So first, I select the sheets I want to see the column duplicates here. So I want to see the duplicates in October. So I select October, the second one here. And I want to compare it with September. So I click September here. And I want to compare, for example, the full name and the email and the company name, because I don't want to contact the same company. So let's go remove. And we have here 5 duplicates. Let's check if it's the same. For example, David Perez. Let's check if it's here. Yes, it's here. So that's it. Now you know how to find duplicates in a sheet or in 2 sheets. If you have any question, you can comment the video. If you like the video, you can put a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye!